Hello everybody, welcome to this ICT Grade 7 learning session on presentation. Today we are going to learn how to apply simple animations in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. This video lesson will cover what animation is, the 4 different types of animation, how to apply animations to text in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, how to apply animation to an image in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. We will also watch a demonstration on how to apply animations to text and to an image in a presentation, followed by some quick tests, and finally end up the lesson with a recap. Let's start the lesson by having a look at what is animation. Animation means adding movement to text or images in slides. It is used to attract the audience's attention to specific content during a slideshow. It should be used with care because too many of them will distract the audience. Here is an example of applying animation to the text. And applying animation to an image. There are 4 types of animation. Entrance, that is how the text or image appears on the slide. You can see an example of an entrance fly-in effect. Emphasis, the change that occurs after the text or image is on the slide. Here you can see an example of grow, shrink emphasis effect. Exit, how the text or image leaves the slide. Let's see an example. Last, motion path, how the text or image moves within the slide along a path. Now, let us learn how to apply the 4 types of animation to text and to an image. First, we create a new slide with the title, text, and an image. Next, select the text to apply an entrance effect. In our lesson, we're going to choose the title placeholder to add an entrance effect. Select the Animations tab from the ribbon and choose the desired entrance effect. Here, we will choose the shape effect. That is, the text will fill in from the edges of a star shape. The effect will be applied to the text. You will notice that the text fills in from the edges of a star shape. A small number appears next to the text to indicate that animation has been applied to it. A star also appears next to the thumbnail slide. Moving on to the next type of animation, that is emphasis effect. First, select the text to apply an emphasis effect. In this slide, we will emphasize on the subtitle placeholder. Select Animations tab from the ribbon and click Add Animation command. Choose an emphasis effect. We're going to choose the theta effect. The effect will be applied to the text as shown. You will notice that the text shakes up and down from a center point and stops. Again, a small number appears next to the text. The next animation that we are going to apply is the exit effect. First, we select the text to apply an exit effect. In this slide, again, the subtitle placeholder is selected. Select Animations tab from the ribbon and click Add Animation command. Choose an exit effect. We are going to choose the float out effect. The text in the subtitle placeholder floats out. The text in the subtitle placeholder has floated out of view in a specified direction. Again, a small number appears next to the text on the slide to indicate the animated text. Last, we are going to learn how to apply a motion path effect to an image. Select the image to apply a motion path to it. Select Animations tab from the ribbon and click Add Animation command. Choose a motion path effect. Here we're going to choose the Loops Motion Path effect. The effect will be applied to the image. The image has moved along the path of this loop shape. A line of path appears along which the image moves on this slide. Again, a small number appears next to the image to show that it is animated. Click on the shooting star to preview all animation effects on the slide. Play the slideshow to view the animation effects as shown. Now, students, let us watch a demonstration on how the different types of animation are applied to text and to an image in a slide. We will use a slide with a title, text, and an image. We will start the demonstration with an entrance animation effect. First, select the title placeholder. Click the Animations tab from the ribbon and we can see a variety of entrance effects. We will choose the shape effect. You will notice that the text will fill in from the edges of a star shape. A small number appears next to the text to indicate that animation has been applied to the text. A star also appears next to the thumbnail slide. When we click on it, we can preview the animation on the slide. Moving on to the next type of animation, that is emphasis effect. In this slide, we will emphasize on the subtitle placeholder. Again, select Animations tab and click Add Animation command. A variety of emphasis effect is available. We're going to choose the theta effect. You will notice that the text shakes up and down from a center point and stops. Again, a small number appears next to the animated text. The next animation that we are going to apply is the exit effect. In this slide, again the subtitle placeholder is selected. Click on the Animations tab and add the Add Animation command. You can choose among a variety of exit effects. We're going to choose the float out effect. The text in the subtitle placeholder has floated out of view. Again, a small number appears next to the text on the slide to indicate the animated text. You can preview the animation by clicking on the star. Last, we're going to learn how to apply a motion path effect to an image. First, select the image to apply an animation to it. The Animations tab is selected. Click the Add Animation command. Choose a motion path effect among the varieties available. We are going to choose the Loop's motion path effect. The image has moved along the path of this loop shape. Again, a small number appears next to the image to indicate that it is animated. Click on the shooting star to preview all animation effects on the slide. Play the slideshow to view the 4 animation effects. This is the end of the demonstration. Now, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned in today's lesson. Read the questions carefully. You will have 3 seconds to answer. Which one of these 2 pictures shows an entrance effect? Is it picture A or picture B? The answer is picture A. It shows an entrance effect called fly in. Picture B shows rather an example of an emphasis effect. Question 2. Which one of the following effects creates a path along which text or image follows? Is it A, entrance, or B, motion path, or C, exit? The answer is B, because when the motion path effect is chosen, text or image follows a line of path. Question 3. After applying an animation, a small number appears beside the thumbnail slide. Is it true or false? The answer is true, as once an animation is applied, a small number appears beside the thumbnail slide. This animated image shows an example of an emphasis effect. Is it true or false? This is true, as this is an example of a grow-shrink emphasis effect. Last question. Too many animations make a PowerPoint presentation more interesting. Is it true or false? The answer is false, as too many animations may distract the audience. Well, this is the end of our quick test. I hope you have been able to get all the correct answers. Now, it's time for a recap of today's lesson. Animation means adding movement to text or images in slides. Animations are used to attract audience attention. However, too many animations may distract the audience attention. There are 4 types of animation: entrance, exit, emphasis, and motion path. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So, it's goodbye from me and see you soon.